Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my videos. It is bright and early. It's 2019 in Dubai. It's looking fresh outside, a little smoggy, but look at that view. We need breakfast is what we need. Isn't that right, James?
Yeah. Just waiting.
Let's go get breakfast. Oh. Got me, James.
Oh, we had to put the do not disturb on, remember? Yeah. I should leave that on, actually. It's all on the wrist.
Dang.
It's all about getting an even spread throughout, boys.
Boom. Nice take. Little amateur hour over there.
Oh, hey, yo, bro, there's no syrup. Where's the syrup?
All right, well, I enjoyed this awesome free breakfast. You guys enjoyed the footage from last night with the fireworks. I think it was an amazing fireworks show. Very unique, and we stayed up and sat on a curb for a long time to see it. So you guys enjoy the fireworks while I eat some food. Woohoo!
They jumped the gun.
Guys, that was like the coolest.
Happy New Year's, Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year. That was like the coolest fireworks show I've ever seen. It was super unique. I know I've seen a lot of fireworks shows, they last a really long time and there's big explosion stuff. This one was really unique. Happy New Year, guys.
Talk about your goals.
Happy New Year, guys.
Tell them about your goals,
Clayton. What? I don't know.
You don't have any goals?
I have no goal for, oh, I mean, I can keep vlogging, I guess.
Yeah, it's every day. Every single day Clayton is uploading a video.
Yeah, I guess that's my goal for 2019.
I can barely do it twice a week, so.
All right, we did work. We each did like 4 or 5 plates.
Fireworks.
I don't know, you tell me, you were there.
I'm asking the viewers, how were the fireworks?
I think they were pretty good.
I nearly just knocked that man over. Cold started. Doesn't sound bad, actually.
So we are on our way to see a super unique car collection. I forget the specific name, but a lot of people know it as the Rainbow Sheikhs car collection. It's gonna be pretty sweet, but first we stopped at the gas station. We gotta get some snacks. What are you eyeballing? Do they have
Dude, I want everything.
Do they have Blue Bunny here?
Whoa, dude,
Pink LaFerrari limo, huh?
Dude, it's got golden doors too. You guys check
With
out
an
that.
old, like a newer Defender.
Oh yeah, whoa. Hold on, check that out. Wait, do we have to pay?
We're at the Rainbow Sheikhs car collection. Front and center, we have a Globe trailer. Not quite sure what the point of that is, but it's pretty cool. So this car right here, fun fact, the owner of this whole collection designed and built this. Well, I don't know if he built it himself, but he designed it himself.
You can see the tire pressure. There's an actual sensor on like the hubcap wheel. See that?
Whoa. Man, this guy was smart. Boom. Okay, miniature truck, normal truck, 64 times the size of the normal truck.
The joke, I wouldn't have got the joke.
It's the invisible boatmobile.
Oh!
Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy.
Oh yeah, Barnacle Boy.
you would relate to Barnacle Boy. Plymouth Prowler. I don't even know you could see these outside of Michigan.
You shouldn't.
With the trailer.
With the trailer.
I don't know.
1983 SEL 500 with the golden. Look at the red interior. It's like red suede. You got the wide body fenders right there. That is sick.
Dang, we have a brand spanking new, right off the showroom floor, New York taxi cab with window sticker and spotlight.
Look at the headlight clusters. I mean, this thing is brand new.
Man, guys, look at that Liberty Walk kit right there. He was doing wide body kits before anybody. You got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, white. Oh, the interior.
The orange, the front seats are yellow, the back seats are green. That's so sick. Attention to details, guys.
I bet the trunk's purple.
I bet. And that Liberty
In the
Walk
engine
kit
bay is probably
sick.
red.
This is what we
Well, the wheels are too. The wheel is red and the wheel's blue in the back.
Oh, no way. Look at that side mounted.
Actually, correction. This one's not, well, it is white, but it's actually clouds. Oh, because the rainbow comes out of the cloud. Ah, figured it out. 1981 Toyota Land Cruiser truck with the plaid interior. Dang, I actually like this one a lot.
Toyota Jeep.
Toyota Jeep. 2010 Toyota Jeep. I don't know if that's the accurate name of the model, but it's pretty cool. Oh, another one, 1998 Toyota Jeep. Even though it says Toyota Land Cruiser on it. All right, be prepared for what's around this corner. Boom. 96 Dodge Caravan. Dang, pristine. You're never gonna see one of these. No tint. Got the cloth seats. I said over there that Land Cruiser was like my favorite so far. It was pretty sweet. It is sweet, but I actually really like this. This is a 1977 Mercedes Unimog. All right, for the following reasons: 1, solid axle; 2, coil spring; 3, automatic; 4, reasonable price. Best 4x4 in the market. It's right behind this wall. Boom.
I want to climb.
What do you see? Alright guys, exclusive. You got the actual cockpit here. We're in the engine bay. Here's the actual engine. Got the headlights. All right, coming down.
Good.
All right, so out yonder in the distance, there's a really, really cool aircraft. I was gonna say vehicle, but no, it's an aircraft. That there's not an easy way to get to it, so we're gonna drone over there, scope it out, and then maybe go check it out. Okay guys, we just found the coolest thing ever. We may or may not be allowed to be out here. I don't know. I'm not one to say, but check it out. It's from Kuwait Airlines. It's just sitting out here in the desert. Look how cool this is. Can you get in there? Oh, that's just a bunch of birds. It's got Rolls-Royce engines. That's probably why he bought it. He's knocking for birds. Alright, unfortunately we can't get inside. I climbed up in one of the wheel well things, but there was nothing there. And I'm not saying that we should get lost, but what I'm saying is that we should probably get lost. Alright, we just ran across the desert. I think we're home free, although I don't want to jinx us. There's a guy at a gate out there who's been waiting for us to come back. Alright, wish us luck. We'll see. Go, 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 go! We gotta get Get out of here, James.
There's actually a guy. No, honestly, a guy.
No, there's not.
Eddie, go.
No, there's not.
Yes, there is. There's a guy on the rope right there.
Play it cool, guys. Play it cool. We gotta make it through here. All right, he gave us a thumbs up.
And he smiled, and now
He smiled. All right, we got an 812 super fast coming in right behind us.
Oh, here he comes. Here he comes.
Driver's side.
Inside sources tell me it's super fast. Ooh, that thing is sick.
That's a good spec. We finally made it back to the hotel, and man, what a cool day today. It was our first full day in Dubai, and we did some really cool things. Thanks for watching today's video, and like I said before, I'm doing this new thing. Hopefully you guys like these videos. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions on what I should do differently in the comments below. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.